How to fix Samsung TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, check the network status. On your Samsung TV, go to Home, Settings, All Settings, Connection, Network, and Network Status. This runs a connection test and can show whether the problem is between the TV and router or between the router and the internet. Menu names can vary slightly by TV model. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi and password. Go to Settings, All Settings, Connection, Network, Open Network Settings, and Wireless. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password carefully. Samsung notes that Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive. If the network doesn't appear, check that it isn't hidden and that your TV supports the network's frequency. Some older Samsung models only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Step 3. Restart the TV and router. Unplug the TV, router, and modem from power. Wait about 1 minute, then plug them back in, starting with the device receiving the internet connection. Wait for each device to finish booting before powering the next one. Then try connecting the TV again. Step 4. Reset the TV's network settings. Go to Settings, All Settings, Connection, Network, Reset Network, and then Reset. This removes the saved Wi-Fi, so you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password again afterward. Step 5. Test with your phone's hotspot. Turn on a hotspot on your phone and try connecting the TV to it. TV connects to the hotspot, the TV's Wi-Fi is probably working, so the problem is likely your router or network. If the TV can't see or connect to any network, the issue may be with the TV itself. Step 6. Try a manual DNS. If the TV connects to Wi-Fi but still says there's no internet, Samsung recommends trying a manual DNS. You go to the Settings, All Settings, Connection, Network, Network Status, IP Settings, DNS Setting, enter manually, and then the DNS server. Make sure you enter 8.8.8.8, then try connecting again. Step 7. Factory reset only as last resort. If none of these work, you can reset the entire TV. Go to the Settings, General and Privacy, Reset, enter PIN, and reset. The default PIN is usually 0000. A factory reset removes your TV's settings and requires you to set it up again, so don't use this as the first troubleshooting step. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.